Hi everyone, welcome back. So I put this video together for y'all before we went out of town. So if things look a little different, that's why. The next portion of this video is sponsored by HYGGE. Thank you so much for sponsoring this portion of the video. So the first thing I needed to get done before cleaning was I needed to put this bike together. This is the HYGGE G1 Elephant 32-inch HD bike. You can use this bike for cardio, yoga, strength training, and more. This bike is so easy to assemble, guys. They give you all the tools needed for assembly, and it's easy to follow the instructions. I'm not the best at putting things together, so if I can do it, so can you. It didn't take long at all. All of the parts are easy to work with. This bike is very sturdy, and this bike is also compatible with the Peloton and YouTube. You get a high cost performance with a low price. You can use code Barbara for 10% off of your purchase. Plus, for a limited time only, these bikes are priced at $4.99. So be sure to go check it out. I'll have the link in the description so you can get yours. I will be keeping you updated on my progress. I'm definitely making riding the bike a part of my daily routine. I wanted to show y'all how easy it was to assemble, and it just connects via Bluetooth. You can choose different workouts, or you can go check out some landscapes in different areas of the world. It's fun, it's safe, and it's affordable. Like I said before, everything is linked below. Thank you so much, HYGGE, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So now I needed to go ahead and clean up the mess from the bike. Like I said, super easy to put together. Go check them out. But yeah, I had just a mess in here. I needed to get it all situated and put away. I usually just throw this stuff out on the porch and my husband takes care of it. So we are going to be having a lot of Sadie while we're cleaning the living room today. She is going to be showing off. She's going to be playing. She's going to be chasing the vacuum, doing all the things that she does on a normal basis while I'm trying to clean the house. She is a big baby. She's only 10 months old and she's over 100 pounds. But she is, like I said, our baby, and she's just so much fun to have around. But she does pick on me a lot. She just wants to play and bite and have a good time all the time. She's just like a little kid, so definitely a handful, but we love her to death. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and throw some music on, and we are going to keep cleaning.
To crash on until night. Shouldn't be the night I go home with anyone. I've been out walking on a rougher patch now, but I must say, living on the edge of things has been kind of fun. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things I hide. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kind of dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit Can't you see me though? Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. I'm dancing on the tables and I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. She wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. She wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I.
So now we're going to go ahead and clean up in the kitchen. It was not that bad. Y'all know it gets way worse than this, so it shouldn't take long at all. I hope y'all enjoyed watching Sadie play and her cute little faces she makes. As you can see, she is not hard to love at all.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's
So if you've been here a while, you know that I like using vinegar and water on my countertop. Sometimes I'll mix a little Dawn in there, but usually it's just vinegar and water that I use. It's affordable and it's not that toxic and it kills bacteria. So it's just, and it deodorizes. And the most important thing is it doesn't leave a film over my counters once they're all dry. It's just a really nice product to clean with. I know a lot of people don't like the smell, but it doesn't bother me at all. I also, sometimes I use the white vinegar, but they do have a cleaning vinegar that does not have such a harsh smell when it comes to like the way vinegar normally smells. So if y'all want to check that out, that's pretty cool too. That's what I get a lot of the time as well. So now we're in the dining room. The house really was not that messy this day. It usually is. In the next video, y'all will see it's super messy, but I just wanted to get everything tidy. There are times when I spend a whole day cleaning, and then the next day I will just keep cleaning just so it's not so hard on me. I know a lot of people do this. They clean their house spotless every day. I cannot have it spotless every day. I wish I could. I used to before I had all the kids, and just, a lot more responsibility in life, but I do like to keep it nice and tidy once I do clean it. I do have a few projects I want to get done. Hopefully soon. I need to redo this coffee table. It is not sealed, and I need to restain the top of it. I want to repaint the fireplace. I'm just not sure what color I want it yet. If I want to keep it white, I don't know yet, or black. I'm not sure what I want to do with it yet, but it does need some work. You just can't tell from far away. And I need to do some stuff to the dining room table. Y'all always say how gorgeous it is, and I love it too, but there are just a few things that I would like to change on it. I do love the colors though. But anyway, I just needed to wipe everything down in here, and yeah, I needed to go ahead and vacuum all the floors, get it all mopped and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that now.
Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking
I do get a lot of questions about my steam mop. I always have it linked down below. It's in my Amazon store if y'all want to go check it out. It is a really good mop. It's one of my favorites that I've ever had. I use it all the time, and I'm just spraying a little cleaner just to freshen it up a little bit in here. You don't have to use a cleaner with it. Sometimes it's better not to use a cleaner because, like I said, when you use cleaners, all the fragrances and everything, it leaves residue on your stuff. So if anything, I would suggest spraying vinegar. I do that a lot, but I was just spraying this cleaner this day because I wanted it to smell good in here. So anyway, I'm going to do that now. As I said in the beginning, I filmed this video before we had went out of town, so that's why it looks different. Now we have the TV over the fireplace. We don't have Sadie's kennel up and all that stuff. So anyway, that's why things look a little bit different in here. But anyway, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope it got y'all motivated. I am only going to clean the boys' room next, and then I'll hop on and tell y'all bye and tell y'all what's coming up next week on the channel.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy.
So now I'm just going to hop in here and straighten up the boys' room a little bit. Stuff gets put under the beds all the time in here, so I always end up having to sweep that out. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that now. and then we'll sweep their floors and all that stuff, get their bed nice and tidy, their bedroom nice and tidy for them for when they go to sleep tonight. I do try to clean this room all the time just because it can get overwhelming. Jeremiah is still pretty little, so I don't expect them to know how to clean it like I would clean it. So I do still clean my kids' room. I do not clean the teenager's room, though. I haven't cleaned her room in a very long time. She takes care of her stuff. She's old enough to do that. But yeah, the boys are just expected to keep it decent. But like I said, we do have a toddler in the house, and he kind of does what he wants still. So yeah, I do come in and tidy their room quite a bit, but they're not that bad. And like I said, I try to stay on top of it these days. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I'm going to just hop over and tidy up their bathroom really quick. Like I said, this was filmed before we went out of town, and this is what I usually do before we leave. I try to make sure everything's nice and tidy and clean, because I do not like coming home to a dirty house.
Make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah.
So I'm just going to go ahead and straighten up in this bathroom really quick. Those of you who have been here a while know this is the kids' bathroom, the guest bathroom, all that stuff. I'm just going to tidy up in here really quick. I wanted, like I said, everything to be clean before we left out of town. I always clean and make sure all the laundry's done before I even start packing, because it just makes me feel better. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it got y'all motivated. Next week, we're going to be doing a lot of organizing, a lot of decluttering, if you want to see all that. I'm also thinking about showing y'all how I do my hair, because I get a lot of questions about that. And yeah, just next week should be a lot of fun. And like I said, a lot of work, because we got a lot of decluttering to do. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I will see y'all in the next one. I love you all. Take care of each other. Bye, guys.
You're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away. Got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased. Can't be erased. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah.